Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is an index analysis for tomorrow August 8th kana analysis, market profile learning. So market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base vachida everyday analysis we are doing in live trading session around 10 in the morning. So which we are doing analysis, market profile analysis for index and for stocks as well. So இன்னியோட index analysis பார்க்கலாங்க, and this is nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா, and this is for tomorrow's analysis, August 8th கான analysis. So nifty was clearly an inside market of last 2 days. So last 2 days ஓட inside market தான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து nifty வந்து was very clear. So peacock creation அவங்க வந்து பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா market was exactly open above yesterday's close. So yesterday oda close க்கு மேல தான் market இன்னைக்கு open ஆயிருக்கு, and last 2 days oda close க்கு மேல தான் இன்னைக்கு open ஆயிருக்கு. That is 24,300 அந்த zone க்கு மேல தான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து market was open. And we know very well like 24,200 which was a base protection for the zone. ஏன்னா 24,200 was a long time reference of peacock in Nifty. So which we know the back history of this level we have discussed many times. So market என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா once open ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் after market open, so what happened, I tried to take a support at this level of 24,200 which we know it is a very good level of support system. So market is exactly took a support at 24,200 and it got perfectly resisted at the level of 24,400 which we have also discussed on live trading session. So 24,400 and 24,200 which is a perfect level of range market. So 200 points in between only market is within the range of between 24,200 to 24,400. So yesterday's poor high was there. So in live trading session also we have been looking for the levels because 24,400 is a good level of resistance as per the poor high which has been created yesterday, and also as per the open interest which also says very clearly 24,400 could be a very good level of resistance. And on downside we have seen many puts also written on this level 24,200 which is a base support for this level. And for market profile as well, if you see 24,200 was the best level of peacock creation which has acted as a very good level of support. Last many times it could act as a very good level of support. So if you see, it is a very clear support from the date of 2nd July. So not only for next few days, it has actually created the support for the for whenever the price comes to the zone, the 24,200 is getting perfectly supporting action away on the provide பண்றாங்க. So what happened, market is clearly an inside market of today between the range of 24,400 24,200 by creation of peacock along with the volume associated with that level. So tomorrow is Nifty's expiry and weekly expiry. So let's get into the detailed analysis of weekly chart as well. So Nifty oda weekly expiry, if you see this level, if you see this level 24,400 which Nifty really facing a good level of resistance over here, that is 24,400. It is not able to cross this level because it has created a selling excess as well as poor high on last 2 days. So on top of it, it is clearly having a selling excess right from 24,400 to 24,560 to 580. So it's a clear resistance zone. It's a clear excess zone which has been created in weekly time frame. So on bottom, if you see, it is very clearly 24,200. Why this level is keep on acting as a support zone? Because more number of balance has been created in the zone of 24,200, which we see as a peacock creation in Nifty daily charts as well. So 24,200 பொறுத்தவரையுமே it is a clear level of support. Why? Because we have weekly time frame. It is a POC formation. So that level got that level got a very good support. So 24,200. On below this we do have a excess at the level of 24,000 to 23,900 which acts as a very base level for Nifty to get a support. So getting into the 30 minutes time frame again. So if you see this level, that is 24,400, on top of it, it's a clear excess level. which starts from 24,400 till 24,600 is a clear resistance on top of it. Even 24,400 is a clear resistance. If at all Nifty starts from this pre-POC today, that is 24,300, the first level could be 24,400 and next could be the selling excess zone. So obviously the price acceptance is definitely required above 24,400, which doesn't happen these many days because we have seen the importance in weekly chart as well. So 24,400 on top of it is a clear excess maintaining at this weekly level. So in case market வந்து 24,400க்கு கீழ வராங்க அப்படினா then 24,200, we know that it's a good balance maintained on weekly level as well. So 24,200 could be a base support for Nifty, so which they can take a very good initial support. And இன்னைக்கு வந்து poor low create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market is trying to maintain this level as a good level of support. So provided tomorrow if this level works, then 24,200 could be a better level of support system இருக்கும் if this level breaks. Because இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஐபியோட எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் வந்து ரெண்டு சைடும் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. பட் ரெண்டு சைடுமே they could not provide a detail or a very good IB extension provide பண்ண முடியல. Because everything, both side responsive actions are there and both side பாத்தீங்கன்னா equally getting a support and equally getting resisted. So what happens, both side equally responsive sellers and buyers are equally playing the role. Finally they are getting a almost ஒரு balanced profile தான் இன்னைக்கு create பண்றாங்க. So market வந்து in case if this level 24,200 also breaks tomorrow, then this could be a better zone, that is 24,100 to 150 could be a better zone to see any kind of support is minor level of support for Nifty as well. If not, then 24,000 could be the best zone for getting a support of 24,000 to 23,900 onwards. So this is a perfect zone because as well as in weekly we have a excess over here. So this could be a better zone to see any kind of buying support. Nifty can get this level, that is 23,900 onwards to 24,000, because last few days, that is last 2 days, it was forming a excess as well as poor low on this level. So this could be a better level to see if Nifty falls below this level of single print. So moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா it has been a clear balance today. So it's a very clear balance market. So market exactly opened above the POC. So market வந்து open is equal to resistance, open is equal to selling excess. So market was clearly placing this level as a resistance. And then onwards what happened, market was trying to come down by taking this level, that is this could be the better level of support. We have also followed this in live session that these 2 days this level has been taken as a support, and not only this level, like it was previously acted as a very good level of poor low. So moreover, and the poor low வந்து நிறைய வாட்டி அவங்க create பண்ண இடம் வந்து was the zone of between 49,900 to 49,900 to 50,000. So almost on the zone la they have created a more poor low. So this could be a better zone of support system இருக்கறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு அப்படின்றத வந்து earlier times also we have seen in the previous video. So exactly market took a support at this level by saying that excess and also the poor low of the recent times and also previous times poor low has worked well. So this level could be a better support system for Bank Nifty அப்படின்றது we have also seen in live trading session. So like that Bank Nifty got perfectly support over there, and then Bank Nifty got reversed from that level. So on the level வந்து market வந்து support system find பண்ணாங்க, but again வந்து market வந்து it is a clear resistance அப்படின்றது வந்து we actually seen in as per the open interest also 5,400. So நல்ல ஒரு resistance அவங்க create பண்ணிருந்தாங்க, and as well as வந்து market வந்து was taking this level, that is 49,900 was a super support zone ஆவும் இருந்தது. As per open interest also it matches with the market profile. So finally what happened, market tried to build a balance and create a PPOC and no IB extension, and then providing a V-shape recovery almost on the level la வந்து கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So almost open la வந்து market close கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, that is exactly 50,400 on the zone 50,000 50,400 அந்த zone ல வந்து market வந்து close கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So no IB extension was today, but last 2 days if you see it was downside IB extensions, but provided the support actually worked well last 2 days, and today also the support zone worked very well, but it's an inside market of last 3 days. Again, like Nifty, if you see it is an again inside market of last 3 days. Suppose if Bank Nifty was trying to go above this level of PPOC, that is today, இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was created a PPOC at this level of 50,150 range. So on the level in the market மேல வராங்கன்னா, then today's high where it could not provide any IB extension. So 50,400 could be a first level of resistance, and on crossing this level then definitely the selling excess. So the selling excess starts from 5,600 to 5,800. Anywhere they could resist. So these are the first two levels of resistance for Bank Nifty. On upside pathina, it is very clear today's level, that is 50,400, and then 50,600 to 50,800. Obviously this could be a better zone of resistance. So on crossing this level, definitely again one more selling excess which we have in so definitely 51,000. Obviously it is a rounding number, psychologically it's a very strong resistance too. So this could be the last level of Bank Nifty as per the recent times, and above this level also we do have so many references, so many resistance, but these are the main important immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. So the first is poor high of today, and the second level is the excess of both these the 2 days last previous times. So they have maintained an excess, so every excess will be a resistance for Bank Nifty as well. So in case market வந்து இந்த PPOC ல இருந்து கீழ வராங்க அப்படினா, in case market is down, then this could be a better zone of support where it has taken 3 times support recent times, and also many times poor low has been created in the zone of 49,900. So this could be a better zone to see any kind of support system Bank Nifty gets from the level. If not, so if this level also breaks, then this could be the better zone to see 49,600. So 49,600 could be the better zone to see any kind of support system Bank Nifty gets from the zone of 49,600, because it was the many times poor low created before. So after this level, if the level of 49,900 to 850 breaks, then further 49,600 could be the better zone to see any kind of support system that Bank Nifty gets, because it was a many times for a, so this could be a much more better and stronger level of support system that works for Bank Nifty. So that we can also check over here. So if you see 49,600, that was the exactly poor low of many times it has taken a support. So this could be a better support system. So 49,600 to 650 anywhere it could be a best support system. Bank Nifty ku vandu weekly time frame liyum nammalukku vandu specify பண்றாங்க. So we can also check this level as a better support system. So moving on to Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் it is a small IB again. So market opened below and exactly got rejected at the selling single print. If you see, market was open below and it was having a very small IB, taking this POC itself as a rejection. So inside la pathina intraday la market was having this POC as a rejection for intraday. So nariya vandu இந்த POC வந்து ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க, and also no IB extensions provided. So வந்து initial balance வந்து it is within the IB range for a longer time, and then finally market before the closing only it could provide the extensions. But again the extensions could not be completed because almost a closing time, and also if you see the selling print was there because it was a selling print that was created by yesterday by the OTF sellers. If you see, the selling was very heavy actually. So நல்ல ஒரு selling excess maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க. O is equal to open market வந்து clear on selling excess A, B, C, OTF, and then followed by IJKL, again OTF sellers. So OTF sellers was completely throughout the day இருந்திருக்காங்க with along with selling single print along with IB extension on downside. So today market was exactly stopped at this level of selling single print, which could be a stop as we expected, because 22,900 could be a better level of resistance for for Fin Nifty, because it was having a selling single print. So அந்த இடத்துல தான் அவங்க ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So in case market, if at all market starts from this level of PPOC. Today PPOC has been created at the level of 22,800 in Fin Nifty. So market started from this level where volume also associated with that level. If this level breaks, then 22,900, which the poor high or which the today's top. So this could be a better level of resistance. On crossing this level of resistance, definitely price acceptance is required, and the 23,000 could be the psychological number, as well as it could be a better level of resistance for Fin Nifty again. And also there is a very good selling excess. So very good resist here. So from 23,000 till 23,150, anywhere they could resist, because it's a selling excess. Along with that, 23,000 is a psychological number. So on crossing this level of single print, definitely price acceptance is required to get into the every zone of resistance. And also there is one more resistance created at this level. So continuous pathina Fin Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே it is continuous selling excess was very big. So 23,150 above, again 23,200. So continuous two selling excess. Along with that, 23,000 is a psychological number, so anywhere they could resist. So completely it is purely based on price acceptance on upside. So in case market வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து கீழ வராங்க, I mean இந்த PPOC ல இருந்து கீழ வராங்க அப்படின்னா, then today's low, because no IB extension on downside இன்னைக்கு வந்து provide பண்ணல, but last 2 days if you see, it was exactly on downside IB extension. Today it was a balanced market. இன்னைக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was global marketsம் நல்லாவே சப்போர்ட்டிவா இருந்தது. So market வந்து poor low வந்து break பண்ணல. So poor low create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. This could be a better zone of support system. So 22,700 in the level வந்து it could act as a first level of support, and the second level of support is, this could be a first level of support, and the second level of support is 22,600. This could be the second level of support system for Fin Nifty, because the poor low has been created and closing was almost here, and today's opening was above the level, because we have a global conditions nalla favorable irundhathu, US futures nalla irundhathu, and also the Dow Jones ellame வந்து positive close ஆயிருந்தது. So அதனால market இன்னைக்கு open ஆனதும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா மேல தான். So exactly above the yesterday's close. So in case market break this level of 22,600, then the immediate zone to see is 22,500, which is a superb support zone for Fin Nifty as well. So 22,500. So these are the downside and upside on the resistance and support system for Fin Nifty. That is the immediate resistance and support system for Fin Nifty as well. So provided these two power lows and these two selling excess on Fin Nifty is very clear for resistance and support system. So if this level breaks, then further 22,500 could be the better zone of support for Fin Nifty. So நீங்க analyze பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் trade எடுங்க. Kindly do your analysis before you take trade. For trading or for investment, we'll track this all the index based stock and the index tomorrow on live by 10 a.m. Thank you so much. Thanks for all your support. Kindly do your analysis before you take trade. Thanks for watching.